This is the elevator. I pull back on it to climb. This is neutral flight. You ease forward to make a dive. You can see the rudder moving. I steer that with my feet. And then the ailerons, to make a coordinated turn, are also linked to the central control column in the cockpit. We never fly with parachute. My name is Brian Coughlin. I got into aviation as a little kid. My father was an avid aviator. He had a couple different airplanes, and he was friends with Mr. James Henry Cole Palin, who built this aerodrome here in upstate New York. Behind me is a replica of a Fokker D.VII.